What are you doing? What are you doing? Yay. That looks so yummy. Wilson's like, I want some. I want some.
Or something.
That would be cool.
A Christmas in Switzerland.
This camera, like, the quality is so good. Like,
Oh, Norway.
oh, look at that orange. Look at that orange. How Wilson just wants to help.
Between the next couple. You know, my phone can do that too.
Yeah, but is it this good of quality?
Yeah.
I don't think so.
Yeah.
Well, it's not like that's gonna go bad because I'm gonna have a beach party.
Ooh, it's mixing. Do not burn your hand off. Ooh, that's cool. Oh my god. Ooh, that's really cool. Merry Christmas. Whoa. That looks so yummy. Yummy. I'm excited. I'm trying your new bag. Ooh. That is not how you wear it. Oh. Oh, wait, turn. Oh. Alpaca. Alpaca. He's in again. Wait, where's the button? It's that one. How many? I don't know. Yeah, candid, but not. You know? Oh. And you're just like, okay. Your eyes are closed. Anyway. Alright, we out here in Nashville, Tennessee. Yeehaw! Giddy up. Giddy up. This is the fit. This is the fit. All black. Because I'm uncreative.
Oh, do you want to see the apartment? Like that stuff?
Wait.
Like our amenities?
Oh, yeah. Let's go check it out. Snacks. Oh, what is it?
He gave us like a little goodie bag of stuff.
Ready? Look at my camera skills. There she is. Beautiful. Beautiful. There she is. Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Beautiful. Zoom, zoom. Zoom, zoom. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna restart this. Okay. Hello, world. So here, I gotta kind of step on my tippy toes. But today, I'm going to start packing because I've been procrastinating. Very fun. But basically, I have done like this much out of like this much of packing that I need to do. And I've just basically like cleaned up my closet, like taking out my clothes. And I have the kitchen, and then I also have my like little office space, which is where I am right now. And I gotta pack those up. It's a lot. And I gotta post stuff on Facebook Marketplace so I can get that coin. Coin. I don't know why I said it like that. So I can get that money. Because my ex, he said that he would basically like get rid of the stuff for me and then give me the money. So that's really nice of him actually. And so I gotta do that, but I don't want to make him have to like post all the stuff and like manage it on Facebook. So gotta get that going. I have, see, like I have a papasan chair. I'm not sure how to say it. I have like a papasan chair that I really love and I really liked in my last apartment. And I brought it here. I just don't use it as much because we keep it in the cat room. But I'm debating if I should sell it or not, because I think I might want it in the future because I really like it. It honestly made me so happy when I bought it. Like, I got off of Facebook Marketplace and going to get that papasan chair, it was one of the best days, honestly. And I got it for like a really good price. So, but yeah, I gotta pack up all this stuff. It is literally a mess. Like, let me show you. Here, this is like, okay, this is like my cute little art area. Like, look at all this stuff, like empty bottles, like, who, I don't even, that's from when I had COVID, like, oh my god. I also am debating, I don't think I'm gonna bring my guitar. Maybe. We'll see, we'll see. I just don't want to carry that around, like, that's like so hard to carry around. But my mom's coming with me for the first 2 weeks, just kind of like hang out. So maybe I could convince her to carry it. But we'll see. Alright, c'est parti! Alright, this is what we got to work with. The boxes, oh my god. So this is the state of affairs right now. I'll show it in a little bit. There's the house. And I haven't changed my calendar since October. Don't judge me. Alright. Well, I will come back once this is all packed up and done. Maybe today. We will see. It's like I have the most random stuff. Should I keep this? I'm just kidding. Okay, so I just got a call. I'm gonna close this. I just got a call from this French lady. And I like inquired about her apartment on particulier. I don't even know where to put this. But basically, she's gonna, like right now, literally right now, we agreed to meet on the 17th to, so I could see it's actually not an apartment, it's like a room, I think. I'm not really sure what the situation is, so I'm like a little hesitant, but it's like really cheap. It's only like 600 euros. So I'm gonna see what the situation is, but she called me. I got like so nervous. I was like, oh my god, I've been so French and so long. But I was literally just watching a French video. So I was like kind of in that mindset already. But she's like, I was so confused. I was like, what is going on? Who was this? I've been emailing her. And she's gonna call me back in like the next 5 minutes. And I'm gonna do a virtual tour of the room. I just hope it's not shitty, because then what do I say? Like, I don't know what to say. Oh, fuck. I'm like so nervous. I'll report back. I'm like really excited though. I hope this works out. I'm freaking out. I think I just found my apartment in Paris. What? Like, that does not happen. I honestly, like, I'm not gonna post this until I actually have the keys in my hand. I'm so excited. Oh my god. Okay. So. Oh, it's so cold. Hello, YouTube. Just, you know, ignore this mess. But bless this mess. Basically, okay, I'm filling up on gas right now, but I got all my stuff in this car, and then my mom has her car and she's helping move my stuff. Today's been kind of a long day. I woke up kind of late, and it's actually been a good day. A good day. Despite having to move everything and like leave Madison. I'm gonna be honest, it was like it's pretty hard to leave today. I mean, I feel content and I feel ready, but it's like definitely, oh, someone just texted me. Huh. Oh, it's just like my flight information. But it's definitely like it was hard to leave today, and like I was ready, but I'm just really gonna miss the comfort of being in Madison and like how easy it is and a lot of that kind of stuff. And yeah, I'm like obviously gonna miss my ex a little bit, but you know, it is what it is. I definitely feel like just like the whole packing process and everything, I was pretty bad at it, to be honest. Like, I probably should have gotten rid of way more stuff and I didn't need to bring all this stuff to my parents or to my mom's, but I honestly just like the energy to do that and like the time, I just honestly was not like really motivated, and I'm just gonna do that once I get there and go through everything, because it's a lot of stuff. It's just crazy how much stuff that you can accumulate when you have more space. I used to fit all of my stuff in one car, and now I need literally 2 cars to move all my stuff, and before I only needed 1. So it's just kind of crazy. Like, there's a lot of stuff that I sort of accumulated in the past probably about year or so, but yeah. So today is, what is it? It's January 10th. And my flight is on Saturday, and oh, that was French Siri. I said bye to the kids that I nanny for, and I've been nannying for them for about 3 years, and that was so sad. And I'm gonna miss them so much. Like, they've honestly had such a big impact on my life, and they make me realize like how much I care for kids and like how much I do one day when I have a family of my own and stuff. But yeah, like, kids are just so amazing, and like especially like helping raise an infant, it was just such an amazing experience and impactful experience, and it just shows me how much I can love and like how much I love kids, and like I'm just so happy that I'm in this place where I'm ready to like move on and figure out my life in Paris for the next 7 months. I'm so excited. I'm just excited to speak French every day too. I miss it. I've had class for like a month now, so yeah. I got this French book my friend suggested. It's called Oscar et la Dame Rose or something like that. Like Oscar and the Pink Lady. And it's a really sad book, but I think I'm gonna like it. She really liked it, and her boyfriend suggested it to her, so I'm gonna give it a go and read it. And I also kind of wanted to try to find a French book on my Kindle and read that on the plane, but yeah, we'll see. Okay, I will check back in later. Bye. Good morning. Oh my gosh, I'm so tired. I'm very rested. I feel very rested. Today I'm gonna start packing. I'm so excited. Yay!